Hi there, and welcome to this particular task. This is a mixed maths test that shows you different variables of questions that could come up in mental arithmetic. There are 54 questions in this particular test itself. Please do have a go and try your best to do as much working out as you can. But let's do a couple of questions together though. The first question says, increase 6 by 5, then choose the correct answer. So increasing 6 by 5 just means 6 add 5. So 6 add 5 is going to be 11. Second question, which month is 3 months after December? Choose the correct option. So again, from December, count up 3 months and decide which month it will be. Have fun with the rest of the questions, and we will go through every single question in our regular weekly class. Thank you.